Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. Welcome to your brother and sisters. So today I'm gonna share with you one new video. This one will be Wolf Portfolio. So here I use HTML and CSS. So who are a beginner, they can follow this way. So first of all, I go to the my PC here. Okay, I click the PC and I go to the local disk C. After that I select web learning. Then here I make one folder. I write the name, say on second website. Okay, so now I will open Visual Studio. Okay, almost open this one. So I open the folder. I go to the file. Then I go to open folder here. Okay, local disk C. Then I go to web learning. Then I click this one. This is my folder, second website. Click here. So I think this one open right now. Welcome, second website. So here I make one shift, then I click one. Okay, then I put enter. Here I write basic, BASIC, basic dot HTML. Okay, so now this one came. So I click shift one, then come embedded, click enter. This one. Okay, so here I got one pattern or HTML. So in the uppercase I get title. So here I write the name, title name. Here I write basic, BA, basic HTML. Okay, then Control S. After that I go to inside the body. Here I write H1 tick. So here I write welcome. Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. Okay, so Control S. So now I open this one, my server. Open with live server. Okay, this one came. See here, welcome to Jubaer Learning. So if I go to the website, here I write one paragraph text. Okay, so here inside paragraph text I write lorem 30. Okay, then I do this on the format, something like that. Control S. If that I go to the website, then I refresh this one. Okay, so now here I add, suppose that I add any spell check inside the paragraph text. So here I write SPAN, span. Okay, so I click onto this one, just like this, then I put inside span text. Okay, Control S. Now I go to the website, then I refresh this one. Okay, so you didn't get any different. So if that I use, here bold text. Okay, so here I write the bold text. Control C, Control X. After that I put inside. Okay, then Control S. If I go to website, then I refresh, I got this one, the bold text here. So thank you so much, dear guys. Hopefully see you in the next video. If you face any problem, please put your suitable comment in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you so much.